Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and I love the Nuun Hydration Tablets, and I love that I can get them in a variety pack. So this is the lemon lime, citrus fruit, orange, and tri-berry. I like that I have a variety of flavors with these. I mixed up a few, and here's what they look like. This is the orange, tri-berry, and citrus lime. The flavor is delicious, and I like that there's only 1 gram of sugar. So this helps to replace what's lost in sweat. These really help to keep me hydrated on hot days or even after a workout. If you like carbonated water, you'll love these. I really like them. I also like that these are so incredibly convenient. There isn't any trash or garbage. All I need to do is pop out one of the tablets, drop it in, and let it dissolve itself. It basically mixes itself up. So it's great while you're working out or if you're on the go. If you're looking for a great, delicious way to stay hydrated, I'd highly recommend the Nuun Hydration Tablets. I think they're super. I really like them, and that's my point of view.